Did someone say pancakes? Hey guys, I'm Janelle and welcome to my channel. The weekend means pancakes. That's right, I'm gonna show you guys today how to make really easy blender pancakes that don't require flour or a pancake mix. All you need are a few really simple ingredients, 8 to be exact. That's right, 8 ingredients plus a blender gives you this. These pancakes are so fluffy. If you're low on flour or pancake mix, then these pancakes are for you because you don't need to have flour. All you need are some oats, milk, bananas, baking powder, apple cider vinegar, what else am I? Vanilla, and what else? Nut butter. Yeah, these pancakes are so good. Look at that. Thick, fluffy. Focus. You guys seriously need to make these. I could literally eat like a dozen of these. Yeah, they're so good. Yum. All right, let's get to the recipe. All right, folks, well, it can't get easier than this. In a high-speed blender, dump all your ingredients and blend until reached a thick batter consistency, about 20 to 30 seconds. Let it sit to thicken up a bit more for about 5 minutes. Heat a non-stick skillet on medium-high heat and coat in baking spray or a thin layer of vegan butter. Pour in about a 1/4 cup of batter, let it cook on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it, flip and repeat. Stack and serve with your favorite toppings and lots of maple syrup. Seriously, this is what you need in your life right now. Pancakes make everything better, and don't let anyone else tell you differently. Well, have I convinced you that you need to make these? I hope so. Let me know if you do make them. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I'll be posting more like this every week, so make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe? No. Like and subscribe. Poke subscribe button wherever that is, and hit that notification bell so you never miss one of my videos. And that's it. I hope you guys have a really good weekend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Pancakes. You guys have to make these. They're so good. Hey, what the hell? My nose is itchy. Damn leaf.